Hi everyone, Kanda again. Right, okay, I showed you a lot in the last video. I showed you movement 13. Okay, so next one is number 14, which is a push-up. JiKyoJutsu push-up is it's a little bit different from standard one. Right, okay. I'll show you first. Can you see me properly? Right, okay, I think you can see me. Then, okay, you would count. 1, 2, 3. Can you see me? Okay, different angle I want to show you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay. So it's a little bit different from normal one. Right, okay, so first I want to explain to you how to set and how to begin. Alright, okay, put your hand on the floor first, then you can cover the hand, both hands with the bodies like this. Right. Okay. Can you rotate your tips of your thumbs? It should be on the tops of breast, right? Then you can raise up and keep plank position. Keep plank position, and when you put down your body, and you if possible, you should not have space between your upper arms and the body. So, like this, like a cricket, insect cricket. Right? Okay. So, important things is that how to begin it. So how to set. Right. So, I said that. Okay, like this. Then tips of your thumbs. I said tips of your thumbs, and should be on same as tops of your breast, like this. Then no space between your upper arms and your upper arms and body. So normal, push-up is something like this, right? Okay, then fingers also keep all fingers, including the thumbs, not separately. Put all together like this. Then, right? Okay. So. One more time I want to show you. And keeping the plank position is important too. So set properly, then lift it up. Right, okay. And look at about 1 meter from from your hands. Then keep plank position. Then drop down, and when you drop down, no space between your upper arms and the body. Then push up, right? Okay, I just set it again properly. Put it up, then drop down. No space between our upper arms and the body. Then push up. Right. Okay, so it's really good for building your inner muscle, all around inner muscle, including your legs and arms too, right? Okay, there are some keys, right? Keeping a plank position, then how to set the no space between your upper arms and the body, and keep those fingers, including the thumbs, without space, not separately, like this, right? Okay, so it's really good for you, for you to build up inner muscle. Okay, and yes, for ladies, it's really hard. I can say that many ladies can't do that. So in that case, I want to advise you that you don't need to drop down your body to the to the floor like this. You can keep your body like that. This is fine. This is fine too, right? Okay, and otherwise you can put your knees on the floors. Then you can do like this. Maybe you can, if you put your knees on the floor, you can just drop down your body a little bit more. It's depends on your condition. Right. Okay. So for ladies, it's really hard. So and please don't do too much. Okay. But this number 13 is also really good for your inner muscle, especially. Hold your body. Hold your body. Because with the keeping a plank position, it's really good too. Right. Okay. This is number 14. This is number 14. Right. Okay. Then I want to show you number 15, the next one too. Right. So after push up, this is normally 10 times, but it depends on your condition. So 10 times, well, even a 6 times, that's fine. Anyway, okay, so after that, you can just continue, you can just go through to a next movement, which is number 15, all right? Okay, put down your toes, right? Then after push up, then look at, raise up, your face up, then look at the up as much as possible. Then normally you count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me show you with a different angle. Right? Okay. It's how to set. It's the same as number 14. Okay. Tips of the thumbs on the tops of the breast. Then raise up and look up as much as possible. Then count normally 20 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Okay. So it's bending back. So it's bending back. So this is also really good for for spine and digesting problem, digesting condition and functioning, and it's related with the kidney too. Right. All right. Okay. So this one, I'm also not so flexible, and in general, I can say that ladies are more flexible than the man. So I'm also not so flexible. Okay, but still, it's really good. And I already showed you a number 13. This is a bending forward. I hope you remember this one. Right? Okay. So number 13 and number 15, this one, it's a completely opposite movement. Completely opposite movement. So between 13 and 15, there is a 14, which is push up, this one. Right? Okay. This movement has no, bending. So it's really good, order. Number 13, it's a bending forward. And if you skip to 15, if you skip a 14 and go to a 15, it's too much. It's too much for your spine, right? So there is 14, which is a push-up. It's really good because it's located between the 13 and 14. It's very good order. Right, I hope you understand. Now, okay, number 15 also, this one, it's a good movement, but same as number 13, bending forward. Same as number 13. Number 15, it's bending back. Also, it's good movement, but if you have a problem, or if you're not, if your lower back is not really fine, it might be a dangerous movement. So please be careful to do this 15 also, same as number 13, right? So please don't do too much. If you do too much, you might be giving another damage to your back. Okay. So otherwise, number 15 also is a really good movement. So 13 and 15, 13 and 15. 13 and 14 and 15. Those are really good. It's tough ones, but it's really good. But please don't do too much, okay? Don't forget asking to your body, right? Okay, so this time in this in this video I showed you number 14 and 15. Right. Okay, so we'll see sometime. Okay, so after 15, we'll stand up. Then from the 16, of course, there are some other movements with mainly standing position, right? Okay, so see you again sometime. I hope soon. All right. Thank you very much for watching my video this time too. Okay, bye-bye.